Hey everyone, welcome back to the first part of our vowel series. Today we're checking out the letter A and all the different sounds it makes in American English. Understanding these vowel sounds is super important because they can change the meaning of words and help you sound more natural when you speak. English vowels can be a bit tricky since each letter can sound totally different depending on the word. So let's go through the 5 main A sounds. Let's learn to make each one and practice some words together. Ready? Let's jump in. All right, first we have the short A sound. This sound is relaxed and a little open. To make the A sound, keep your mouth open slightly and push your tongue towards the bottom of your mouth so the sound comes from the front. Examples: apple, bat, cat, man, past, camera. Let's try a few words together. Bag, pack, crash, path, match, grasp, challenge. Great! Keep practicing this sound with other words on your own, like act, has, tag, sad, actor. Just keep your mouth relaxed and open for that pure short A sound. Let's also compare the short A sound to other similar vowel sounds. Bag, bag. Pat, pet. Mat, met. Tan, 10. Awesome job. So our second sound is the long A sound. It's pronounced A. It's a clear, strong sound, kind of like the A in the word alien. You'll often hear this sound in words like acorn and apron. To make the A sound, start with your mouth slightly open and then close it a little as you push the sound forward. It almost glides from an A sound to A, ending with a slight movement. There are different spelling patterns for long A sound. Number 1, using just A. Some words have a long A sound with just the letter A. Examples: alien, agent, angel, acorn, basic, data, fatal, able. Let's practice these words together. Bacon, vapor, April, David, famous, radiant. Nice work. Next, with AE. These words use the AE spelling to create the long A sound. Examples: shake, fame, flame, main, skate, inflate. Let's compare the A sound with the short A sound. Plane, plan, fate, fat, made, mad, main, man, hate, hat. Next is with AI and AY. Some words spell the long A sound with AI or AY. Examples: aim, paint, waste, pain, day, sleigh. Let's say these words together. Spain, male, contain, remain, maintain. Let's compare the A sound with the short S sound. Pain, pen, main, man, saint, scent. Lastly, there are some words that spell the long A sound with EI. Examples: rains, wait, 8, sleigh. Now, keep in mind that AI can also sound like an E, as in receive, ceiling, and seize, or even I, as in height, heist, and feisty. Sound number 3, schwa. Our third sound is the schwa, A, represented by the sound It's the most common vowel sound in English and is often heard in unstressed syllables. The schwa sound is relaxed. To produce it, keep your mouth and lips neutral. Just let the sound come out without any stress. Examples: sofa, zebra, panda, drama, saliva, umbrella. Let's try some of these words together. Pizza, yoga, flora, data, arena. Great job! Remember, with the schwa, it's all about keeping it light and unstressed. Sound number 4. This is what we call the broad A. This is a deeper sound, as in the word father. You'll hear it in many American words with R. To make the broad A sound, open your mouth wider, let your tongue stay relaxed, and push the sound down into your throat a bit. Examples: car, star, arm, farm, park. Let's practice these words. Calm, heart, part, start, march, art. Nice job, you're getting the hang of it. And finally, our fifth sound is the short A, as in the American pronunciation of ball or fall. It's a rounded sound. To make the sound, round your lips slightly and let the sound come from the back of your mouth. Examples: ball, fall, talk, wall, small. Let's say these words together. All, call, mall, small, fall. Excellent. Keep practicing and feel free to go over each sound a few times to get comfortable with it. Let's quickly summarize the 5 main A sounds of the letter A in American English. First, we have the short A sound. Examples: apple, bat, man, and cat. Next is the long A sound. Plane, fame, rain, day. Then there's the schwa sound, sofa, zebra, drama. Our fourth sound is broad A, or A. Car, park, arm, star. And finally, we have the short A sound. Ball, fall, wall, talk. And that's a wrap for our part 1 of our vowel series, focusing on all the sounds of the letter A. I hope this helped you understand the different ways A can sound in American English. Next time, we'll move on to part 2 and work on the vowel E sounds. Until then, keep practicing and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.